right side, huh? All this?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna start low. I'll work my way up there. Breathe and let it go. Oh yeah, you're pretty tight. Good, let it go. All that, huh? Yeah, I got it now. I felt it. Good, try to relax a little. Back super tight. Okay, lay on your side, face me this way. Yeah. Good. Good. Try to relax, breathe. Relax every muscle in your body. Good. That's it. Relax the shoulder. Good. Let's have you go face down, please. You know what? Better go face up. We'll do the neck face up. Yeah, sorry. Kind of got most of the back already. I think we got a little bit there. But that was a good release on the lower. Oh yeah, yeah, pretty good. Just a little. Just a little. Let it go. Breathe. Good. Don't engage your muscle no matter what. It's right in there. I gotta get you to the end. Yeah, right there. Okay. Relax, relax, relax it. Your left shoulder. Yeah. Let's put it here. Relax, relax. Yeah, don't move your head. Try to relax, breathe. I think you're scared to death. You want to do the Y strap, Pope?
Well, the one you did before, but
This one.
I think you went like this in my head, like this.
You want to do that better?
Well, yeah, because it felt better.
Better than this?
Nah, well, that one feels good too.
We could do this one. We could do both. There's a million ways to do it. Yeah. Most of the best is when you relax. Ah, we got it, huh? Does it feel better?
Yeah.
Right. Good. Yeah, next time we could switch it up.
Yeah. Because that one, like the other time, this one, that one did feel good, like the one.
Did we get it just now or no? Here, sit here. Try like this. Turn all the way. Turn, turn, turn. Good. Just relax, relax, relax. Got you. Sit up straight. There it is. Relax your neck. Good. Even more. Relax the shoulder. Yeah, that's the one. Good. Relax the shoulder. No, I think we got that with the Y strap. You're good, buddy.
Alright, thanks.
All right, we'll see you next week.
So